are these worth it? Anybody that's under the age of 18, please know that I am an adult. Don't smoke weed if you guys are over the age of 18 or not legal, or if it's illegal in your motherfucking state. Where I'm from, Vancouver, yo, it's fucking legal out here, so I can do whatever the fuck I want. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another fucking episode of Kush and Swoosh, guys. Kush and fucking Swoosh. We got some Kush and we got some Swoosh to talk about. Most of you guys already know what the fuck this is, since you guys already click on that thumbnail, man. Before we get started in the video, thank you once again for tuning in for another video, guys. I appreciate everybody that's tuned in for another one. That being said, man, let's get right into this. But before we do, let's spark this. Alright, start this. Yo, gang shit. So over the weekend we got the Air Jordan 1 Fearless. It just dropped. Honestly, I didn't want the fucking shoe. I would have gladly just let it be. Like, I moved on and then not bothered about it. Because I wasn't gonna spend any more money on this shit. Because I wasn't really feeling it. Homie hit me up. He knew that I had 4 pairs of Obsidian ones. I'm always down to look out for somebody through a trade. So he hit me up and said he wanted a pair of Obsidians, and if I wanted this, he would be willing to do a trade. So I was like, you know what? I would have been doing the fucking review for you guys and letting you guys know exactly what the fuck I think about these shoes. Alright, so if I had to pay for these, I probably would have just said, I don't really like it. Patent leather on Jordan 1s, not really my thing. The gold toes are nice, but for those of you guys that own a pair, yo, these are stiff as fuck. You know, you can barely like wear them, and they look ugly after a few wears. Don't get me wrong, the colorway, dope, sick. Execution, sick. Material, not so great. This pair actually took inspiration from the for those of you guys that weren't around back in the day, in 2003 they released 3 pairs of mids, Jordan 1 mids, which are the Chicago ones, Carolina, and the black and gold. Let's just say all fucking bombed, and they all went on sale. Well, on finishline.com they were going for like $59.99 back in the day. Yes, luckily for me, you see a fucking black and gold pair right there. My mom hooked us up, and I actually kept both pairs from 2003. I was like in grade 11, so I was rocking these shit from way back then. And yes, these are my old pairs. The black and gold 2003. I'm gonna show you guys why I'm not really a fan of the Jordan 1 patent leather on Jordan 1s. Just because, hey, all of you guys that wear Jordan 1s know that, oh my god, this weed is so fucking good. All you guys that wear Jordan 1s know that the more you wear them, the better it looks. Well, over time, patent leather 1s, the more you wear them, the shittier they look. First of all, look at the cracking on that. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this on the camera, but there's a lot of cracking on the toe box. Okay, the only good thing about this having patent leather Jordan 1s is, yo, you can grab like crep wipes, and then just easily just glide right through, and then you'll be able to clean off the pair like it's brand new. This is the 2003, right? Jumpman logo on the back. This pair is really clean still, but just like the other pairs, material is just horrible. The moment that we've all been waiting for. They're running out of ideas and they're just slapping everything together. And hopefully the public likes it. It's a mixed emotions around the public right now. 50-50, they like it, 50-50, they don't. What do I think about them? Well, here we go, man. Here we fucking go. Of course, I wouldn't have taken this if this wasn't a size 10. Because you know, anybody want to send me some shit, size 10 only, please. This one's totally different from all the other boxes that's released so far, all the Jordan 1s released so far. And guess what? this seems to be a little bit cheaper. $5 cheaper than the other releases. This retailed here in Canada for $210, which is cheaper by $5. So retail price is like $160 in the US, I guess. Here in Canada is $210. Obviously you guys see it's an all red Nike box. Yes, that's a size 10 just like a normal Jordan 1 box, but it's in red. Put down the doobie, man. So opening in the box, it says like, the paper is nice. You guys can see the quote from the 2009 or I don't know, 2009 Hall of Fame speech. Limits like fears are often just an illusion. Over and over again. So, hey, first impression, I already told the homies, they're a little bit better than I thought. I wasn't expecting it looking like this. Totally better than I thought. Let's pull them out of the box, guys. Presentation. The box, I like it. They're making it different compared to everything else. So they're letting us know that this is somewhat of a limited release collaboration, whatever it may be. It does say Fearless on there, so this is like a part of the Fearless pack. I'm gonna get into that on another video because there's a fuck ton of them. A few interesting pairs, I might say, and a few what the fuck pairs. Alright, so we have the receipt over here. This was purchased at Richmond New Age Sports. You guys know where the hell that is. Yeah. It comes with a retro card. It's been a while since we've seen retro cards. And to be honest, I like it. If we're gonna have to pay premium price, like I think they're upping the prices to like $175 to $190 next year, depending on what silhouette. If they're gonna up the price, please do give us more shit like this. Accessories would be nice, you know, because then right now we're spending so much money on sneakers that, yo, let me just say this. The Obsidian ones should have came with multiple laces, like a sail laces. I'm just gonna say that. So seeing this with like 4 types of the different laces, thank you, Jordan brand. You're finally doing something right on that part. Some of us gotta pay resell, and just like Virgil Abloh said, if it's gonna be a lot more money on the resale market, I might as well throw in some extra laces. Jordan brand, throw in some more extra laces. This is nice. Retro card, added points for the whole packaging. The shape looks good. I was really annoyed that they started doing like all these combining two colorways in one silhouette and one shoe. I wasn't really feeling that. You know, like the top 3s look fucking clown shoes to me. The gold toe top 3s, that was kind of weird to me, but that was more subtle because the only difference was the toe box. That's it. You know, and then the homage to one split. Yo, no. That should have stayed back in 2006 where the Air Force One Halloweens were. First impression, man, I can't see myself wearing it. If I can't see myself wearing it, I won't buy it. They have little details like this. This is not bad. If we're gonna be paying a little bit extra, these are the things that I expect to see. The material do look stiff as hell. This is gonna hurt wearing it. Would I wear it? Definitely not. Am I gonna stash it? Yes, it's gonna go in the back just like the rest of them. I would have given you guys an on-foot look. Nah. I'd rather not. Yeah, I can't see myself wearing these, man. Like, I just did the homie a favor just because I know that he really wanted the Obsidians. I wanted to give you guys my own opinion, my first impression on this sneaker by having it on hand. And I didn't want to put out a video out there with just talking about it without actually seeing it on hand. Looking at it and having it on hand, it's well executed, a lot better than I expected. The split right down in the middle. Oh yeah, totally forgot about this. It comes with this too, not bad. Comes with a keychain. If I were to wear these, I would definitely wear it with the black laces. Nothing else. If you guys can pull it off, hey, more power to you guys, man. I just can't see myself wearing these. So these are gonna stay back there, or maybe up there. I don't know, somewhere, because I'm not gonna be wearing these. It's gonna stay in the vault until it reaches a certain amount, and then maybe I'll trade it for something else. I would give them a good 6.5 out of 10, just because I'm surprised that it looked better than I expected. That's the only reason. Thank you once again for tuning in for another episode of Kush and Swoosh. Is it worth it to have in your collection? I'd say if you're just starting out into the Jordan 1 craze, hey, whatever you can get for retail, go get it. Personally, there are other pairs out there that are way better than this. Execution though, hey, they kind of swayed me a little bit, but I still won't put him on feet. With that being said, guys, follow me on Instagram at RainDoria. Give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video. Anybody that's new to the channel, please do subscribe. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching. Hopefully you guys tune in once again. Thank you for taking the time and watching another episode of Kush and Swoosh. Until next time, guys. Peace.